MTV, I'm Dan, and I'm going to show you around my crib.
Not MTV, bro.
Ah, yeah, well, come in anyway. Let's show you around. So Blendini Motorsport was established back in 2010 with our founder Tom Roche, and it all started with one single MX-5 race car. Starting in 2017 with a group of very unique American cars never before seen on the driving experience circuit, and now we're up to nearly 100 plus cars in this huge site. So let's go take a look around. This is the main office where everything happens. This is our call center, this is our admin center, this is how the driving experiences happen. Rob is actually our media manager, working on in-car camera systems, merchandise to sell, which is all available on our website. Is the new merch website going anyway?
It's good.
It's going.
It's going.
Memories of all the first Car Chase Heroes cars we ever had, and one of my all-time favorites as well. And we've of course got Nick, our sales director, keeping us all on the straight and narrow. How's it going, Nick?
Yeah, very good, thank you. How are you?
You know.
Pretty interesting about my office. But it's
Yes.
white walls and calendar and whiteboard with nothing on it, so...
So before we came along, this used to be a massive engineering firm, Harris Pye. This very room, our main offices, used to be the cafeteria of all things, and now it is head of operations for the entirety of Blendini Motorsport and Car Chase Heroes. Is the camera actually rolling this time? So we're gonna go ahead over and see our operations guys here. We've got a whole team of people from HGV mechanics all the way through to office staff, and of course our event operations. These guys run our staffing, they run logistics. Basically, Blendini Motorsport stands still without these guys in here. We've got JV, our workshop manager, and two people who are currently skiving at the moment. Gaz, our staffing and transport manager, and of course, Mr. Adam Zieber, our head of operations. What's going on today then, JV?
Trying to get everything ready for the new season.
Everything ready? Next question.
Last finishing touches. And,
Nice.
We should be ready to rock and roll.
Here at Car Chase Heroes, nothing ever stops. Even when events aren't running over the winter period, we are all still working very hard. I know, JV, you've had a couple of projects over the winter as well.
Engine rebuilds that we've taken on, and then basically just trying to get everything brakes, chafe, touch up, all the little stuff that sometimes during the year is a little bit mental to get to. Probably our busiest time.
Even though nothing's running, we're all full steam ahead, aren't we?
And we're just in the background trying to keep everything going, and how we get everything from point A to point B to point C.
And everything in between as well.
Occasionally try and get a little bit of Christmas cake in us at the same time.
You just come to an event, you see cars there, but in reality, there is an absolutely huge operation in the background. The Blendini Motorsport site is absolutely huge. It actually used to be RAF Landau. Huge bomber squadrons were based here back in World War II. In 1957, it was all redeveloped into various trading estates until 2024, when we came along. Being in South Wales means lovely, lovely views. What a place to work. We've even got an Italian job bus. Something that was actually used in the Italian job films. We even put minis in the back while it's moving. Let's go and take a look at our on-site paint and body shop. This is a full facility in itself. Everything you could possibly need to run a driving experience and motorsport business right here on one site. Like, we even have our own HGV workshop. And this is our HGV workshop. This is where we keep everything on the road, from big HGVs to trailers. Any sort of logistical problem you can think of, we have an answer for it. We've got overhead cranes to lift out truck engines. We've got pits, we've got brake testers. We've got everything you could need to keep a fleet on the road. And this is Jamie, or Bosch, our HGV mechanic.
Fun day of changing ratchets. Every car needs 4 straps. Truck holds 11 cars, 44 ratchets. Winter is actually the busiest time for us.
So, I mean, how many trucks have we got now?
5 transporters, 2 trucks to carry the media units, plus the fuel van.
Plus car
plus
trailers.
The bin, yeah, plus the awning trailer. Got a lot for 2 of us, yeah.
Just 2 of you in here as well.
Yeah.
Well, you do a damn good job for 2 of you. Part of the Car Chase Heroes site is Kart Kingdom. Housed in one of the huge aircraft hangars that we have right here is an indoor kart track. Well, this is Kart Kingdom. Come on, let's go. Look at this place. Lancaster bombers would have been housed right here. Obviously, most parts of the airfield itself are gone. Oh, it's a bit of history, isn't it? I mean, what a cool place to hang out as well. Pool table, foosball table, air hockey, and a go-kart track. Even got a podium, seat padding, we've got it. Every single go-kart that we have here is running within tenths of a second of one another, which means that you've got no excuses out on the track. We've even got cadet karts, which means from 8 years old, kids can get involved with motorsport from the very roots. These really cool little camera systems. These actually go on top of the helmets, as well as all the data that you get from the karts themselves. You compare it with some video too. The briefing room. Race suits, helmets, very spongy. So now we've had a look in the kingdom. We're going to take a quick go around our 4x4 course here on site. This is Matt. You think he's going to make it round?
We'll give it a good go.
That is the first hill. Yes, we are going up that.
No, we're not.
Oh. Kart Chase Heroes was established in 2017. Blendini Motorsport was already winning championship after championship in the MX-5 Cup, as well as experimenting in Brit Car and 24-hour series. But when they made Kart Chase Heroes, it was this tiny industrial unit in Blackwood, South Wales. And I'm talking enough to fit maybe 5 cars on top of each other. Now, this is the part that you all want to see, the workshop. This is where the real magic happens. Every single car that we own, that we run on Kart Chase Heroes, as well as a few more that you've probably never seen, are all housed right here. every one of our in-house mechanics has their own bay, their own car lift, and their own workstation. As you can imagine, tyres are a huge part of what we do. We go through literally hundreds of tyres. Having plenty of grip is very, very important. Do you know any tyre jokes, Max?
Don't.
No? Get a grip then.
Yeah.
That one really gets around. It was really, really good.
Hi Matt, got a Focus on the go.
That's what it is, a Focus, yeah?
Yep.
Thought so.
Just on the engine on it, new piston rings, new air gasket, timing belt, lower seals, a couple of little things.
Teething problems. And this, ladies and gentlemen, is Cole. He's been making cups of tea for the past 3 years, and now they've finally let him work on a car.
Yeah,
Good job.
okay.
This is James Ward, one of the longest standing OG members of Car Chase Heroes and Blendini Motorsport.
There's a pun there somewhere.
Out of curiosity, what do we do to prep these cars for sighting laps and rides?
For high-speed rides then, tyres, semi-slips, upgraded brakes, upgraded anchor roll bars, front and rear, DC racing coilovers all around, poly bushes, upgraded flexi brake lines, upgraded top shaft hangers, clutch line again upgraded to braided flexi.
If it's red, blue or yellow, it means fast.
Yeah.
And do you know why? That's why. You got the Volkswagen Jetta from the first Fast and Furious movie. This is Jesse's car. Oh God! And as well as Car Chase Heroes, we do actually look after a lot of customer cars, be it camper vans or very unique race cars, unique older cars, and again, we'll take a look at those too. We've even got things like the Mini. This is absolutely awesome. Now, this one may look a little bit worse for wear. Those of you in the know will recognize it as a BMW M Coupe, okay? The Z3 Coupe or the Clown Shoe. Tom actually raced this in the 24-hour series and the Brit Car Cup. Let's look at some more interesting cars. GT40, Mustang, that's about the third one that we've got there. GTRs. The special thing about this particular Cobra is it actually runs the same 5-litre V8 with fuel injection that Mustang right there has. So you get all the looks of the Cobra, but you get the modern reliability and power of a 5-litre fuel-injected V8. I've burnt the back of my leg on that exhaust. That's why you should always wear long trousers. See, another Mustang. This is a rally-inspired Evo there, so you can see all the rally art decals, Marlboro, big fans of retro racing here. And of course the Batmobile. Give you a sense of scale, if you stand right there for a second, now I'm at the back of the car. Longer than your average van in most cases as well. Say hi, Ed. Ed is actually part of the logistics team at EM Transport. He helps us with all of the setup gear on the events there. What's going on with your truck, Ed?
General maintenance.
Well, that is not a very confident general maintenance.
No, it is. It's a Scania, so it never breaks. Apart from the stupid lights that originally came on it.
100%.
So on top of all the Car Chase Heroes cars, we also have a whole host of projects that we're doing for customers and even for ourselves as well. C3 Corvette. This is a fun one, and it goes along with our Italian job bus. This is the Dormobile. Not the fastest thing in the world, but it is interesting. This one is a bit special. Now, those of you in the know will know it's an MX-5, but this one is a championship-winning car. This was Tom Roche's car during the Mark 1 MX-5 championships. 9 championship wins in this thing here. Looks a bit rough around the edges, but this thing is rapid, and I went on to win so many races across the UK. To try and kick off my own racing progress is my MX-5 here. Again, she's looking a little bit worse for wear. Needs a hell of a lot of TLC, but hopefully you'll see this one out on track at a venue across the UK very soon. This is one that we were going to put on Car Chase, but unfortunately didn't quite work out. This is a Cadillac Coupe de Ville on full air ride suspension. This is another personal favourite of mine, a 1965 Mustang GT350. It's done Legend Series in the UK, as well as races in America like Laguna Seca and much, much more. Well guys, that was a tour of Blendini HQ, but I've got to get on with some work, so you guys need to go. Go on, shoot, shoot. See you next time. Bye.